guys, it's Isabelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun monthly favorites video for you guys. I'll be showing you what I've been using every single day and what I've been enjoying for the month of July and a little bit of June. And I'm super excited, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to be starting off with the makeup part of my favorites. And to start off, I'm going to be talking about the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I've been really enjoying this because I put it under my under eyes to brighten it up and really conceal those dark circles and like eye bags, and I found that this really does work. It's full coverage, it does its job, it doesn't crease, and it lasts all day, so I really have been enjoying this at the moment. The next thing I picked up at the same time that I picked up the concealer was the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder, and I have been enjoying this because I've been setting my under eyes with it and, you know, any places where I really concealed because it's so matte, and I really enjoy that because I have very oily skin. Moving on to foundation, I have been loving the Esteé Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I only have the samples because I wasn't sure if I wanted to actually purchase the full bottle of it because it is a little bit expensive, but I really have been enjoying my little samples, and I found that these are great. They are more on the full coverage side, but it's not so full coverage that it's cakey. I can still get it to where like you can see it's a little bit sheer. I don't like cake it on or anything, but if like you want to, you can make it really full coverage. I just found that it looks beautiful on the skin, and I am really excited, and I probably will be purchasing the big bottle of this. The last makeup item I have is the Maybelline the Falsies Push-Up Drama mascara, and this is so good. It's not hyped up enough. Like, this is a drugstore mascara. It was probably like $7-8. It is so freaking good. Like, I have it on my eyes right now. Like, I don't know if you can tell. It's probably not in focus, but I didn't have to curl my eyelashes or anything. Like, it lengthens, it like pushes them up, it volumizes, it does everything. It's such a good drugstore alternative. Moving on to body care, I have been loving the Hawaiian Tropic Tanning Lotion Sunscreen, and this has SPF 4 in it, and I've been using this throughout the summer because since it has SPF 4. Moving on, I've been loving a couple new deodorants lately, and the first one is this Axe Anarchy All Day Dry, and like, I know what you're thinking, like, boy deodorant, like, what the heck, but this is way better than girl deodorant, okay? Unfortunately, we just don't get the good products like this because this lasts all freaking day, and it doesn't smell too manly. Like, there are other scents, but I made sure like I don't smell, you know, too manly, but it lasts all freaking day, and I don't know why, like, girl deodorants, we can't get this, you know, we can't get this quality. So this has been my go-to for summer, especially since it's hot and everything, because it actually does really work well. Next deodorant I've been loving is the Degree Motion Sense Ultra Clear Black and White and Pure Rain, and this is a girl deodorant. It smells really good. But the reason that this is my favorites this month is because it says it's an invisible solid, and it's not kidding when it is. When you apply it, it literally goes on like invisible. It's not white, even though it is like this white solid color. It's like it goes on invisibly, and it doesn't get on your clothes, and I'm always getting to it around my clothes. Like, I don't know about you guys, but somehow I always find this way on my clothes, and it's super annoying, and I have to change shirts even though I already have a cute outfit picked out. So I've been really loving this because it is invisible when it says it's invisible. Next up, I have been loving this sunscreen, and it's for my face. It's the Image Skincare Prevention Plus Daily Ultimate Protection Moisturizer in SPF 50. I love this stuff because it is summer and it is hot, and the sun is always going to be beating down on your face, and you need to protect your skin from the radiation and the heat. So I have been using this, and the reason why it's in my favorites, probably, like, I mean, it does the same thing as any sunscreen does, you know, protects your face from the sun, but I love the smell, and I don't know if you guys have ever smelled this, but oh my god, I don't know if like I'm weird or like something, because my mom doesn't think it smells that great. She's just like, eh. But this, oh my gosh, I love this. Like, I could put it on like 5 times a day just because I love the smell that much. I don't know. I could sit here and smell it all day. Maybe that's weird, but you really gotta smell it and let me know. The last kind of body thing I have for you guys is the Essie nail polish in Petal Pushers. It is really gray with a hint of purple. It's freaking gorgeous. I paint my own toes. This is just a great nail polish. I have been loving the color. I've been using it all summer, and this is my go-to. It's so cute. I love gray. Moving on to food favorites. I've been really enjoying this Honey Bunches of Oats, and I know you guys are gonna be like, that's for like 7-year-olds. Let me tell you, this tastes so freaking good. I love Honey Nut Cheerios, and I love like the honey flavors, and I love oats, and this cereal has oats in it, and it tastes like so sweet, and they have a bunch of different ones with like strawberries, almonds, vanilla, chocolate, like different things in them. But like this is just so good. I've been enjoying it. You know, you wake up and you have a little bit of cereal, and this is really good for that. Or you can pour it in a little baggie and take it as a snack when, you know, you don't need something so heavy. It's really healthy, and it's a great alternative to really sugary cereals. The other food type item I've really been enjoying is the Sweet Leaf Half and Half Lemonade Tea. And I don't have it with me right now because I ran out of it at home, and then they didn't have it at the store. They were out, so I have to wait. But I've been really loving this tea because it's half and half, like I said, but it's so refreshing. Moving on to electronics and kind of like the phone business type thing, and I've been loving this Boost Up wireless charging pad. It has changed my life. That's just the box, but this is what it looks like. It's like this little disc, and you just plug it in, and then you take your phone and like you lie it on top of it like this, and it's charging. And this has changed my life so much because I struggled with the stupid cord and like trying to get it long enough so I could like have it in my bed and like move around with it and stuff. But it, like, for some reason, I don't know if it was my cord or my extension cord, my phone would stop charging in the middle of the night, and then it would like die or something. I had to wake up late for school, and it was just this whole mess. But ever since I got this, I know that my phone charges all night. The next thing I've been really liking is this case for my phone. It's just, I love the color yellow. I said that in my last video, but like, who doesn't like the color yellow anymore? Like, it's so cute. So it's this silicone case. I got it off of Amazon because it's basically a dupe for the like Apple silicone case, but that thing's $40, and I'm not paying $40 for a freaking case. But this was, you know, cheap. It was like $14, I think, and it's such a pretty color, and it feels so soft, and it still protects your phone. I have been enjoying this app. It's called HUJI, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. So it's basically like the digital camera. Like, I don't know if you guys remember, but like, so basically you can see like these pictures that I took, and it like puts the date on the side, kind of like the digital camera does. And then it also has like this type of filter on it and everything. I've been really loving it. I don't know. And like, you could take a picture, just take a picture of the film, and then you go to your lab and you can like see what it is, and it says the date, and it has it all like, you know, cute and everything. Wow, my room looks messy. I'm so sorry. But I've been really loving that because it's got that like filtered look to it, and you know, everyone loves that look nowadays, and so it's really like vintage and everything. I don't know, I think it's super cute. Last but not least, I just have like a couple songs that I've really been enjoying this month. The first one is so popular, like I'm sure that everyone has heard this, maybe not, but like, it's by Tyga. Taste. It's so good. I love the song. Slide on the pimp gang with my pinky ring. Gotta say, taste, taste. She can get a taste, taste, taste. She can get a taste, taste, taste. The next song I've been loving is the song Roots by Kasbo. I don't know. It's more of like the electronic thing, and it's like vibing for summer, if you know what I mean. It's really cute. I've been loving it. The next song is Ghengis Kahn by Mike Snow, and it's like the Lewis Child remix. And I know that this is like older, it's not 2018, but like I've just been like loving it this month, you know what I mean?
I know there's no phone and no labels to put on to this thing we keep. And I get a little bit Genghis Khan. I don't want you to get it all with nobody else but me. But nobody else but me.
Okay, so that was the end of my monthly favorites video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and maybe some of these things encourage you to go out and try them, and maybe they'll work for you or not. But I hope you enjoyed this, and make sure to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching.